This video is to review the different icons at the top of the patient information page so that you are aware of the different meanings of the icons. If you do click over and hover your mouse over the icon, you can also see a statement stating what that icon means. So the first one is the dictation service. That is not fully up and operational yet, but when it is, you'll be able to indicate that you wanted to use the dictation service to write your notes. The second icon is the sending of the consent or intake form links to your patients. So once you have the forms loaded, we will load those for you. You'll come in the patient's chart, click on it, decide which forms that you want them to receive. Different consent forms will have an e-signature section. Different intake forms will allow them to fill information in, and then you would click save and it will go to them in an email that they would be able to open and fill out their forms. Just make sure you put in their date of birth because that will be their information clarification or confirmation that they need to enter in order to then access their documents. The third one is the home exercise program. So if you are using our integrated home exercise program, it's called My Rehab Connection. That would be how you would access it in your patient's chart. The next one will send a referral request, like a generic referral request form that they would be able to mark for PTOT or speech and sign off on. If you wanted to send out ahead of seeing the patients, you could. This next one that looks like the bubble with the dots inside is if you wanted to send a review link. So if you do have sites on services such as Yelp or something to that degree, that if you wanted them to automatically get a link that they could click on to send you a review, that's what you would click on to send it to them. Just make sure we know which is your sites that you want them to have access to. Then this next one is how you enroll the patients in the patient portal. So when you click that link, they will then get an invite to join their patient portal accounts. This next one is a printing of the face sheet. So if you click it, you can get a printout of the face sheet information for your patient. And then the last one here is how you can create the event in your patient's charts.